So it's a really interesting modern fairy tale, and it's a story around Drudwen, the enchantress, who is the sort of overseer of this magical, beautiful place. So when you meet her, you'll sort of learn who loves her and who doesn't very quickly. I play Morwenna, who is a princess from a far-off land who's travelled to this strange and beautiful world, and that's when she starts to meet some of the other characters. So I can't really say too much, but there's a very specific reason why she's come to this place. Our costumes have all been made for each individual character. You'll probably see each of us in at least 2 costumes, which is really nice, part of our ensemble production. So yes, all these mine. Yeah.
Oh,
my section, Morwenna. But as you go through, you'll start to sort of see the style that's been used to sort of develop the different characters.